back to my channel. My name is Ida Francis and I'm so passionate about the natural hair. So if you are new to this channel, you are highly welcome. Today I have a very interesting and helpful video for you. So everybody wants to have a lovely, healthy hair. Yes, I know that's why you clicked on this video, because you want to know how you can actually achieve something lovely and healthy like my own. I have done a lot of moringa videos, but I'm just interested in different ways which we could actually use the moringa to enhance hair growth. Because when it comes to hair growth, people are always concerned about the topical treatment and forget about the inward treatment, which is actually very crucial as well. I think what you actually take inside your body determines how glowy that you're gonna look. So that's why I'm paying so much attention to how we could actually use the moringa plant, which is very helpful when it comes to achieving a healthy hair. So if you are new to my channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button and do not forget to like this video as well. And if you don't mind, help me share this video with your friends and the rest of the natural sisters. And when you subscribe, please do not forget to click on that little bell that is just right beside the subscribe button. That way you won't miss any of my videos. Thanks so much of your time. Let me just show you how you could actually use the moringa powder to make a moringa tea that will actually help enhance a healthier hair. You could use moringa powder to make a tea that will be helpful for hair growth. You can see the moringa powder from the one I used in my previous video. Please kindly check that out. This is a moringa powder here in Nigeria. I don't know, yeah. So here's a moringa powder. So if you are having issues with hair growth, a moringa powder should be your friend, and you could enjoy it in different ways. So in my other video, I actually have another listing on how you could use the moringa powder for hair growth. So before we make the tea, it is important for you to know how like I mentioned in my previous video, the moringa is called the miracle tree, and it is found mostly in Africa and some parts of Asia, such as India. So let's go to the benefits of moringa for your hair and how it could help you improve and have a healthy hair. Healthy hair improves the physical appearance to a great extent. Moringa has a high content of vitamin A, which helps in promoting hair growth and maintenance. Optimum delivery of oxygen and nutrients from the circulatory system to the hair follicle is vital for proper hair growth. Vitamin A plays an important role in the development of healthy cells and tissues in the body and reduction of hair loss. Deficiency of vitamin A can cause thickening of scalp, dry hair, and dandruff. Moringa plant also contains zinc, which stimulates hair growth by enhancing the immune function. Zinc and silica, along with vitamin A, prevents drying and clogging of sebaceous glands, which is responsible for the production of sebum. Deficiency in zinc can lead to the atrophy of the hair follicles due to the impairment of DNA and protein synthesis. Vitamin E in the moringa is a powerful antioxidant that stimulates blood circulation around the scalp. Proper flow of blood to the scalp helps in absorption of more nutrients available in hair follicles. Moringa is a storehouse of all the nutrients required for healthy hair. Hair loss occurs due to deficiency in vitamin B, especially the vitamin B6, biotin, and folic acid. Proper blood circulation to the scalp enables hair follicles to grow stronger and healthier. Vitamin C together with E helps in the improvement of blood circulation to the scalp. This is vital to the maintenance of capillaries that carry blood to the follicles. Moringa contains abundant qualities of minerals such as calcium, iron, potassium, selenium, copper, manganese, and they are all essential for a healthy hair. It's a natural supplement for improving a healthy hair and strengthen your hair scalp. Drinking moringa tea will help reduce spills and dandruffs to your hair. Moringa leaves also contain sulfur. This mineral is present in every single cell of the body and is a key ingredient for the collagen and keratin which the hair is made of. Collagen is an elastic substance that gives flexibility and softness to the skin, and keratin is rigid substance which gives the skin rigidity and strength. These two substances form the major of the skin tissue and make proteins for your hair. Why moringa is very popular when it comes to hair products, but there are different ways you could actually use moringa to get optimal benefits for your hair. Said that, let me just go ahead and show you how we're going to make this moringa tea. So I always like using a glass cup, something transparent. So I'm just gonna put like 2 teaspoonfuls of the moringa powder with my hot water. I know this is not a teacup, but I just like using something transparent so that you can see. So I'm just gonna go in with my hot water and mix it carefully. Okay. Wow, how I wish you are here. The aroma of this moringa drink is amazing. So you can see it mixes very well. So even if you don't like the taste of the moringa, you can add honey or ginger to it. But me, when I need something for hair growth, to stir it. The moringa tea, it is still very warm. I told you earlier that I actually chose to put it in a glass cup, a tumbler. So yeah, so that you could actually see the content of it. So if you can strain it, if you don't want the powder in it, you can strain it. But for me, I don't like straining it because I keep on adding hot water to it until this greeny part is no longer greeny, until I make sure that I have gotten all the nutrients from the moringa. Here my teacup. So what I'm gonna do is just to turn it into the teacup. Yeah, I think this makes more sense. So like I mentioned earlier while I was showing you guys how to make the moringa dusting, you could actually add honey to it if you want, but I wouldn't advise you add sugar to it. But for me, you can add honey, you can add ginger to it, you can actually spice it up with other things. But for me, I just like enjoying only the moringa drink. So let me just go. It still has the same taste like the moringa juice that I made in my last video. You could kindly like check that out. It's still, it has a sweet minty taste. It has a sweet and minty taste, so it's actually very helpful. So I'm gonna drink the whole thing. So if you find this video interesting, please kindly hit the subscribe button, and when you do not forget to press the bell that is just right, the subscribe button. And if you like this video, do not forget to click on the like button. Just support me so that I could do more helpful videos like this one. So I'm gonna leave my link, I'm gonna leave my details in the description box below, so you could actually send me an email, you could give me a WhatsApp message, or you could actually call me as well. It will be my pleasure to hear from you. So I'll be waiting for all of that. So if you need the moringa powder, I could actually help you get that right here in Nigeria, because we have them in abundance. So another time, this is where I'll be ending my video. I can't wait to see you in the comment section and for you to have a glowy and a lovely hair. Catch ya! Let me enjoy my tea.